Wouldn't you wear it?
Yeah. You know what you should get?
What?
Those things for like your head. Like, oh my god, it's really stubborn. It holds your GoPro on like your hat.
Oh yeah, I think I ordered one. I ordered a kit that has all kind of stuff for the GoPro. Like attachments and stuff.
Hey, look! You don't really want to be on YouTube.
Dean does?
Yeah. I love being on YouTube, you know? Why are you putting your phone down? Hey.
Huh?
That guy.
What?
It looks like him was about to die.
Watch your car.
For your safety, kids. So always use a turn signal. But we don't have turn signals.
Watch this car. Stay on the right.
Let's hope I don't get lost again.
You got lost?
Remember last time?
No, you got lost.
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah, I was back first because I got lost.
Really?
Yeah. Trying to find you. You were going too fast. I couldn't catch up. I was running out of breath too. That car was like it's abandoned.
That one back here?
Yeah, nothing.
Would you buy it? For how much?
Well, like 100 million.
2,000?
Yeah.
Would you really?
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go this way.
Yep. And my puppy. Oh, there's someone's birthday? Is that the 16th? Happy 16th birthday. Oh, that's a big ball. That's a nice big ball. Yeah, don't laugh at me. That's not you need to know. Oh, wow. You're bigger than big dog. You're not. I'm a good dog. I'm a dog. I'm a dog. Say something in the camera.
What? Who?
You.
For what?
Like and subscribe.
You
At the end.
You think?
Yeah.
You want to say it?
Yeah.
You do? You've always wanted to, I can tell.
And guys, don't to make sure follow and subscribe and like.
You've always wanted to do that.
Yeah, this is my first time though.
This is your first time?
Yeah. Seeing a real camera and talking to it. The best, you know. I really need to get on the right side.
So what kind of bike do you want?
Like a road bike.
Do you?
Kids want to.
With the skinnier tires?
I hate this stuff. That would make me fall easily.
They make you what?
Fall easily.
Yeah. Watch this car backing up. You see it?
safe for bikes. It's not safe for kids. Which one for that? I gotta go slow. Next thing you know, I just go up to 1,000 miles per hour. It's done.
Well,
Yeah. I was about to say, but that's the main road.
yeah, that is.
Main road is for you.
Got a car coming, see it?
Yeah, but us.
Yeah, stay on the right.
Let's keep going slowly. Biking is gonna help me for football.
Yeah. It will.
It helps out your legs
It does.
and stamina.
Yeah, big time.
So it makes you faster.
Yeah.
That's why I love riding bikes. This way.
You gotta check for cars.